Everything that we need, especially this time of the year, is to eat healthy food and stay hydrated during the summer. Today I'm preparing 5 different smoothie recipes whose combination of flavors will tickle your taste buds. What I like most about this yummy drink is that it's prepared in just 5 minutes and the nutrients will keep you full for a couple of hours. In all these flavor combinations, I use a mix of fresh and frozen fruit to maintain that smoothness and refreshing taste. Let's kick the things off with the red smoothie. In a high-speed blender, put the frozen black forest fruit, banana, vanilla extract, fresh mint for extra freshness, and yogurt. I use plain yogurt in this recipe, but you can use whole milk or even almond milk to make this smoothie completely vegan. Put the lid on your blender and blend until nice and smooth. Serve in glass. Smoothie number 1, ready for breakfast. To prepare the yellow smoothie, put the frozen pineapple, peach, coconut milk, and fresh basil in a blender. Blend until you get the desired consistency. Serve in glass and enjoy this tropical flavor. For the orange smoothie, blend the frozen orange cut into cubes, the frozen banana, freshly grated carrot, vanilla extract, and the almond milk. Blend until smooth. Serve in a glass and enjoy this exotic combination. The green smoothie has always been very repulsive to us, but today my recipe will make you love it and make it more often. Put the baby spinach, fresh parsley for a refreshing taste, frozen pineapple, avocado for a smooth texture, lemon zest and lemon juice, and almond milk in a blender. Blend until nice and smooth. Serve in a glass and enjoy it. For our last pink smoothie, blend the frozen strawberries and banana, vanilla extract, maple syrup or honey for some extra sweetness, and coconut milk. Blend to desired consistency and serve in a glass. These 5 smoothie combinations make a great breakfast or snack in the summer during hot days. It will only take you 5 minutes to prepare them, and they will keep you hydrated during summer. I hope you guys will try this recipe out, and the full list of the ingredients you will find in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more recipes coming in future. Have fun cooking until the next time.